Welcome to Glenn on Cars. Today we're going to give you an interesting race. Yes, we need to solve for i30N against TCR, but today the i30N will be represented by Kona N because they have the same power, just that Kona N is heavier. Well, the TCR is a 2-liter TSI DSG with 290 horsepower and can sprint from 0 to 100 in 5.6 seconds. Kona N can sprint from 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds, and it has 276 horsepower and 2-liter turbocharged. This race is going to be interesting. Kona N has quicker 0 to 100, TCR has more power and less newton-meters of torque, and it's lighter than Kona N. This race is going to be interesting. Enjoy the race and don't forget to like and subscribe. Can I use this lane?
So this is our flag, ne? Ready?
Go.
Up as soon as I drop you go.
Okay, sir.
When I say ready, go.
That was a nice run. Yeah. Woo! Let's go. No!
Okay, stop, man.
Yeah.
Buy some mistakes.
Huh?
You can't stop, but buy some mistakes.
What?
Buy some mistakes.
What do you mean?
Your tires, change your tires. Buy some mistakes.
Oh. I was feeling already. No, I was attraction full off. I just wanted to see what will happen.
Oh, they left us over.
Oh, it's fine. I know.